Good afternoon. We are here again at Granny's Kitchen. Breakfast for lunch. What do you think?
Looking forward to it.
Yeah. We didn't have breakfast, so we decided to come here and have a nice breakfast for lunch.
On that plate, on that plate.
They actually serve lunch. I didn't realize. So now I'm looking at the menu, and I think I'm going to have old-fashioned pork chops. Right here. I think this is what I'm going to have.
Which one?
Old-fashioned pork chops.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Visit 99% of the women in this town are 60 plus years old, and they would pay very good money.
Oh man, go and visit Dr. Sunil.
You know what he'd do if you came in? You're wasting my time.
So this is my food. I have greens over here, which I like. Hash patties. And over here is my husband. Thank you so much.
Order a side of grits.
You want a side of grits? Put it on. I'll have her put it on your ticket. What's
Sure.
your number? 21.
It is.
What? 26.